Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add two charts in TradingView. Use a split screen feature. Okay, so here there are two ways to use a split screen means two chart setup in TradingView. First one is you can use the inbuilt chart setup layout feature where you can simple tap and then select the two chart setup, the vertical and horizontal way. Okay, so this feature will only available for the paid users. If you are a subscribed user, you can easily select the chart layout which one you want and then you can use it. Here is also another way. You can open another tab here and open the TradingView website. Once you open here, you can open your chart and then after you can simple remove your tab from your window and same as you can do with another one and create a split screen feature. Okay, you can use two chart setup here. Here you can simple slightly increase or decrease the chart. Here you will easily do by simple dragging and dropping it. Okay, and then you can easily here use two chart setup in TradingView. Okay, goodbye.